It's Amanda.
And we are taking out our cookies.
The world premiere of retarded cookies.
Oh my gosh. Where's the other glove? I can't take it out with just one glove. Gosh.
You're obviously mentally retarded.
My other hand.
Excuse me, it's called one-handed. Don't even start your crap.
This is my cookie.
Now you know why. Now you know why.
You should hire us to do catering. We do sushi themes and we do soda themes, as you can.
We do wedding, bar mitzvahs, and well, pretty much any party you could ever imagine.
And birthdays and sexy parties.
Yeah, sexy parties are.
And pants parties too, like on.
In your pants?
Yeah, in your pants. Like you're invited in Amanda's pants.
And I'm invited in Melanie's pants.
Woo!
Pants party!
Pants, 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 pants. Okay.
No more pants dancing.
Spatula. Where's the spatula?
Use this spatula. It is sharp.
Oh my God! I'm bleeding.
Ketchup, get the ketchup. You're not seeing any of this.
La 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 la. Where are you? Not paying attention.
Pay attention to the flowers. Look at you. Run into the room.
I'm a vampire!
Look, she got it off the floor! Wipe up your gross blood.
It's not working!
It's stained! Dang it, we gotta get the cleaners in again. Ooh, but.
Don't look at my tan line!
It's horrible. What? No ketchup there.
What is that ketchup thing you saw? I don't know. Where's the spatula that cut my hand?
You better sanitize it before you begin to cut. Why you cut some of them? What the? Oh my God.
Look at this! It looks like a turd! This is Amanda's cookie!
I'll bring it to her. Go bring it to her.
Amanda! I have your cookie for you! You got a cookie! I don't want a cookie! What did y'all do to these cookies?
You should come to see them.
Eat it! Eat it! Eat it!
Ow.
I don't want to eat.
No balance. No balance at all. Now for intermission.
Oh, they don't look that bad. They're a cookie. A cookie. It's like a cakey. A cookie cake. I will cut you. Like I cut my wrist with this. You did not cut your wrist.
You want to see the mark?
This looks like ketchup. No! You cut me, Amanda! Oh my God! I'm seriously bleeding now. Thanks to Amanda. Get ketchup, get Amanda.
What? They had loaded cookies.
Wait! Dance party! Check out my awesome colors! I'm a vampire!
What? Ketchup? No ketchup here.
Did you see that wicked move? I can push in drawers with my hips.
You want to see this wicked move? Hold the camera.
What? That was so not cool. But anyway, time to kick the cookies.
My high kick, because I'm a dancer. Oh my God. Hurry up. Get some of this side off.
Because it's your side. You get your side.
Come on, holding it. Come on.
You know what? Forget it. It doesn't matter whose this actually is mine. Film it! Look at my ginormous cookie.
Okay, Frank.
I'm getting milk. Milk.